Let's see how you can easily send pre-recorded voice messages on Instagram using a simple chatbot automation. So here I'm in a demo account with this particular Instagram account connected. So to connect an Instagram account on our platform, you need to simply log in with your Instagram account and it will be connected in just a few seconds. So here we have already created a demo flow as well. So let me go to the flow section, and here we have this flow named as email capture plus a discount code offer. So here initially we actually ask them whether they are actually interested in this particular 5% discount, and if they say yes, then we ask for their email address, and here we send the confirmation message and also send them an email with the specific discount coupon as well, and with the link to purchase as well. So here this is how the flow looks like. You can actually add a pre-recorded voice note as a follow-up message as well. So in this case, let me add a wait delay over here and connect this one right here, and for an example, let me actually add a 10-second wait delay over here, and after that let's send a voice note. So in this case, send message, and you have to choose file, and here choose audio. So you have to actually upload the audio file or insert the link as well where you have saved it. So let me actually upload the audio file I have already recorded. So here let me show the recorded file over here. So here I have recorded this particular audio file in the MP4A format, but you can actually record in other formats and convert this to MP4A format using the online tools as well. So let me just play this audio file and show you. Did you get a chance to use the specific discount coupon sent to your email address? If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks. So that was the recording right here. So let me upload file right here. So upload this particular file. All right. So here the audio file has been uploaded. So let me publish this one. All right. So it has been published. So now we can actually set a comments automation trigger to offer this particular discount coupon and also send the voice record messages as well. So let me go to the marketing tools over here and let me choose Instagram comments automation. So this can actually works on the Facebook as well. So let me click on add over here and let me say IG offer voice. All right, so let me track the comments on all posts, and private reply will be the flow we just made. So here email capture plus a discount code offer, and here public comment reply. You can actually add any sort of variation as you would like as well. For example, let me say send you a DM, and here when you want to trigger this automation, so let's say only if they comment as a discount, then we want to trigger this automation over here. Let me save this one right here and make sure to activate this one as well. All right, so it's now active. So let's test how this actually works. So let me share my phone screen over here and open a random post over here. Maybe open this particular reel over here and add the comment which we set up a discount. All right, so this should actually trigger a DM automation. Let's see how this actually works. Here we received a message over here, and it says, thanks for your interest, would you like to receive a special 5% off discount coupon? So let me say yes. So it should actually ask me to provide the email address over here. So let me enter the email address as chatikmedia@gmail.com. all right, so the discount coupon will be sent to this particular email address, Gmail address over there. All right, it says thanks, discount coupon has been sent. So now in 10 seconds we should actually receive the pre-recorded voice note as well. So let's wait for 10 seconds and see how this actually works. So here we received the voice recorded message as well. So let me actually play this voice note as well. So let me go to the inbox section over here to track all the conversations from this. So here I'm in the inbox, and here this is the voice recorded message. So let me play this one. Hey, did you get a chance to use the specific discount coupon sent to your email address? If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks. That is the pre-recorded voice note sent to your customer. So let me check the email as well. So here this is the email we received along with the discount coupon and also the link to purchase as well. Simple as that. So that's a quick video on how you can easily send pre-recorded voice messages on Instagram. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.